How to pin a message in WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to pin a message in WhatsApp, what that basically does is it keeps whatever message you pin at the top of WhatsApp chat. So, whenever you open the chat, you can simply see the pinned message at first. So, in order to pin any messages in WhatsApp, what you're gonna do is first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Then go to the chat you want to pin. After that, write something and send it. Now, if you want to pin it, just long press on the chat you want to pin. Then, in the top right corner of your screen, you can see a three dot option right over here. Click on it. Then you'll see four options: info, copy, edit, and pin. In the last, you can simply see the option pin. Click on it. Then you can choose how long your pin lasts for 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. I'm going to choose 24 hours and then pin. And as you can see the pin message right on top over here. So whenever you open the chat, you'll see the pin message. And as I've already set the timer, the pin message will be removed after 24 hours. So this is how you can pin a message on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.